Chaos appears to be brewing within ZANU-PF-linked organizations as the senior figures jostle for influence and control over presidential empowerment funds. Sanabina Mashukubuda Pankwaina Nyugwa presidential cash scandal rocks ZANU-PF-linked organizations to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda Mukurwa na infighting outcomes ZANU-PF. Zimo Island Rambera Chiti. Political insiders say the disputes highlight growing factionalism and the struggles of access to state-backed resources within groups meant to support President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The conflict comes amid concerns that empowerment programs intended to uplift ordinary Zimbabweans are being diverted for political gain. According to sources, some party elites have allegedly manipulated the management of these funds to consolidate power ahead of the formal integration of affiliates into ZANU-PF. The tensions follow a directive from the ZANU-PF annual conference in Mutare last year, which called for the full incorporation of party affiliates into the ruling party's structures. Senior party officials said that recent public remarks by President Mnangagwa's special investment advisor, Ngwarara, accusing certain affiliates leaders of misusing empowerment cash was sparked by what he was told by influential party figures seeking to dominate these groups. Sources claim that some politicians have hijacked funds channeled through Ngwarara's office and are demanding controlling stakes in the affiliate organizations. Rival factions have reportedly been created within the affiliates as ambitious figures maneuver to secure positions and resources ahead of the integration process. Speaking at a meeting in Chimanimani, Manicaland province, Ngwarara issued a pointed warning to the affiliates. Your days are numbered, he told them, confirming that an audit was underway to verify how resources were being used. Observers say the disputes reveal deeper challenges within ZANU-PF's power structures and raise urgent questions about transparency and accountability in state-sponsored empowerment initiatives. Domashuka na mlanyo kwa pankwa inoi. Pinako message shemelu mzwafungu enyi motu kulipa msoro to the jostling irikuti kama ZANU-PF. Msana subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.